Let me show you how you can solve this question on the board using a very simple and a shortcut approach. Now the question is, y is equal to this raised to the power of 3. Find the y over the x. Now if you look at this question on the board, it is a combination of chain rule and also a quotient rule. How do we solve this? Very simple. Now the first stage is that we are going to use this power 3 to multiply with this bracket and remove 1 from the power. That is the first stage. So that becomes, the power is 3 to become 3 times this bracket, and in the bracket we have 2x raised to the power of 4 plus 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 5, all divided by 16x plus 15x squared. Now the power becomes 3 minus 1 times, the next stage is find the derivation of the numerator divided by the numerator minus the derivation of the denominator divided by the denominator. Now recall that if we have x raised to the power of n, the derivation of this with respect to x will give a times n, then x raised to the power of n minus 1. This is the standard derivation. Let's apply this to each of the respective terms on the board. The case is that we are expected to find the derivation of the numerator divided by the numerator. So that gives, in bracket, the derivation of this person using this formula will give 4 times 2, which is 8. 8x. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. We are done with this. Over to this, 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Then x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. Then plus the constant term, the derivation of a constant term is 0. Take note of this. Divided by the numerator, everything written here. We have 2x raised to the power of 4 plus 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 5. Then you put your minus sign. Do the same to the denominator. The derivation of the denominator divided by the denominator. So the derivation of this, of 16x, will give 16. And the derivation of 15x raised to the power of 2 gives 2 times 15, which is 30, plus 30x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. Then all divided by this, which is 16x plus 15x raised to the power of 2. The final solution becomes 3 in bracket 2x raised to the power of 4 plus 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 5, all divided by 16x plus 15x squared. 3 minus 1 is 2 times, in bracket, 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 24x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2x raised to the power of 4 plus 8x raised to the power of 3 plus 5 minus 16 plus 30x, all divided by 16x plus 15x squared. That is the final result.